Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another 3D printing project. So let's get cracking.
All right, everybody. So I was printing rings for Mount Pisgah, and we had a power outage. Check this out, though. Power it off. Power it back on. I do want to resume the print. And let's watch it work.
Of course, there is a pause while she heats up. And bingo, we are back in motion.
And friends, there you have it. Awesome counting rings. Gotta love the adhesion. Even though mid-print there was a fail, bingo, rings are ready for Mount Pisgah. Once again, the Sovol SV06 is absolutely crushing it.
Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.